How you doing, loggers? We're going to show you the pocket. Sidewinder asked for a little commentary, so we're going to show you how this setup goes. I'm going to have to break it down into a couple setups or videos, I mean, because it takes a little time to do this program. So right now we're blinking. We're ready to start a cycle. So we're going to go down here. We got tool 1 in. I'm going to hit the cycle start. I'm going to turn on a little bit of coolant. I had a lot of problems with the edge cam software. Everything that seemed like I was riding at Purdue, nothing was working out quite right. So basically we just started to do it old school. We sat down with the book and started writing lines of code, and found out that for me at least this has been the easiest way to go about it. It's been a learning experience. I've enjoyed the whole time, picking up more knowledge about my own mill on a daily basis. So right now we're whittling away for the inside pocket. This is going to lighten it up quite a bit. We've already got a couple done. We're running around 4,000 RPM, just under. I don't run it at full max or she'll spike and shut down. But FD up there stands for 10 inches a minute. We're running small end mill, so that's all we need to push it for now. You can see the highlighted lines. Those are lines of code. Right now it's feeding in the negative direction on X, and then we're going to make the Y move here on the very next line. You can see we're going to move Y minus an 8. Every once in a while I got to come over and I got to take my air and blow the chips out of the way. Modern CNCs will have an air mister I can run. I got one here. It doesn't do a real good job, so I just leave it off, try to conserve on the air compressor running non-stop. But that cut for a few minutes. We'll show you some other stuff that's going on here in the garage. I got asked to modify some ultimates for Doc. There's quite a few ultimates, huh? We hollowed out the back side. We put some slots into the side. They're quite light. They're actually lighter than what I'm building. Here you can see a bunch of the plates we've already done the first few setups in. Got a couple different versions. This set is for Aussie Scott. He's got the larger holes. They're 1/2 inch 20. They all use the same type pivot point. They I got these little pivots. They get pushed in there. They'll have a 1/4 inch deep ball end mill, 5/16 in diameter to fit the new TI pivots. Alright, let's go back and we'll check on the CNC a little bit.